Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Sebastian and I would like to show you a new little project I had in my mind. Since I study 3D design, I also use this project for some experience and practicing proposals. I think of a little asset of a Western style shelter, something easy, a bit up and done, and the textures should be handmade so I can do a little drawing exercise too. I think this project might be 5 parts, so I will do one video to each step of the production. So this one will be the conceptioning step where I put all the ideas together. The next one will be the concept art step, where I do a little scribbling and drawing to get a rough idea of what my final result should look like. And then we do the modeling. In my study I use Autodesk Maya, so for practicing I will do the whole 3D stuff in Maya too. Next step will be the UV mapping and texturing, and then the final one will be the end result, I think, of some turntable or camera dolly animations. So I will do the first one where we do the conceptioning in real time and with my voice. The other ones, except the final result, will be time-lapse videos. This should not be a tutorial or stuff like this, more look how it grows thing also. I'm not this good in explaining things because I learn a lot by trying and error and do things and then I start over and try it another way and so on. So I think it would be really confusing if you would see it in real time and not in time lapse. So this will be all for the formal introducing part. So let's start with the conceptioning part. I hope you like this project and you enjoy this little series. So have a good time and we see us in the conceptioning step. So there we are. Let's start with the conceptioning phase. It's the production of the little shelter. It's a very interesting phase because you're starting to shape the idea, the rough idea of what you have in your mind and bring some life to it. I think I will start with some background. What is the ground idea or what it's setting? What is the plan of it? You know what I mean. At first, I think it's a shelter of one person. So it's a simple, easy, cheap hideout. Yeah, it's somewhere far from civilization. It's when I think about it, I think it's something someone banned or run away with wild. It's somewhere in a dangerous or a hidden place, and when I think about it, the scenery is desert or grasslands. Yeah, what else? Of course, it's a western style. Yeah, let's write down some main ideas. It's I think it's wild in on a flat surface. Of course, it's an asset. I think I will put it on some round foot and let's look like a snow globe or something like this. It's built on a flat surface, and then the main shelter is some easy wooden construction. So yeah, there's of course a bed. It's simple and easy. Some mattress, some simple sheets. So yeah, what else? Yeah, there's a fire pit. In front of the shelter. Of course, some cooking gear. Everybody needs to have food. Some cooking gears. I think of an old rusty simple pen and some metal blades. Yeah, things like this. Of course, there's for hunting some poses. There's a rifle. Some a simple one, old cheap one, some scratches on it. Something like this, and what else? Of course, for the night we need a candle or a lamp. I think I will do some kind of oil lamp. Of an oil lamp. Yeah, and then I think there should be some wooden crates for supplies and some kind of fabric overhang or some kind of tent. Yeah, of course some ropes for the tent, and some wooden poles or kind of a pillar or something like this. And what else do we have? Some dry grass, then some little stones, yeah, I think that should do it. Yeah, of course, the surface is some dry clay. A lot of sand around. I think, yeah. I think that should do it for the rough uh, outlines of my idea. So I think the next step is the concept art, where I do some scribbling, some sketch, some drawing of these ideas, and I think it will grow while I draw it. So that is just the start, and while you are working on it, there will be some ideas that I put out, and there are some ideas to put in, and yeah, it's taking shape and it's going on. So I think let's hit the road. Let's start with the conceptioning art, and that's all for part 1. The next part is the part 2, conceptioning art. Yeah, I hope you liked the first episode of this little series. I would be glad to see you in the next part, and yeah, so have a good time. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.